You see, if a car manufacturer tells you that in 2020 we're coming out with this car, and the purpose of this car is so it can be the fastest production car. The purpose behind this car is so it can be the fastest production car that was ever made. So 2020 comes around and the car doesn't live up to its purpose. The car is not the fastest car in the world. The car is not the fastest car in the world. So the purpose for which the car was created, it didn't fulfill that purpose. There was other necessities that were in the car, other features that were in the car. It might have had nice seats, a nice that, and nice everything else. But the purpose for which the company advertised, that purpose wasn't fulfilled. So the same analogy we can use for our own day-to-day lives. We fulfill every other purpose but the purpose for which you and I were created for. And you see, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with such hikmah and wisdom, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not specify a special worship or ibadat of His. Allah didn't say that I have created mankind and jinnkind so they can only be in prostration to me, or so they could only be in the recitation of the Quran, or they could only be in salah. But rather Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala generalized it. Allah put it on a general level, that I have created man and jinnkind only for the worship of mine.